Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best tech gear so you can make smarter buying decisions. And today, we're taking a closer look at what many believe is the best radar detector for long-range sensitivity, the Uniden R7 Extreme Long-Range Laser Radar Detector. This isn't just another detector. This is a radar command center built for serious drivers who want to stay ahead of threats, way ahead. Let's dive into what makes the Uniden R7 a standout in its category. Right out of the box, the R7 is solid. The build is premium, with a matte black finish and a full-color OLED display that's bright and crisp, even under sunlight. It mounts easily on your windshield and has a swivel mount so you can angle it however you like. But once it powers on, that's when the magic starts. The R7 features dual antennas, one facing forward, the other backward, and that means 360-degree protection. But what really sets this apart is directional alert arrows. You'll know exactly where the radar source is coming from, front, rear, or side. This directional awareness can mean the difference between reacting quickly or getting caught off guard. It's also GPS-enabled. That means the R7 remembers false alerts from things like automatic doors or known non-threat sources. So as you drive the same routes, you get fewer annoying beeps and more meaningful warnings. And speaking of warnings, the R7 also includes red light and speed camera alerts, updated through its GPS database. No subscription fees, just plug it in and go. Another strong feature is the voice alerts. The R7 announces what it detects without needing you to take your eyes off the road. The voice system is clear, customizable, and supports multiple languages. Whether you're dealing with Ka-band police radar or laser, the R7 makes sure you're notified clearly and in time. Now, let's talk range. This is where the R7 shines. Compared to other detectors in its class, even some that cost more, the R7 can pick up radar signals from miles away. On open highways, this gives you a massive buffer to adjust your speed well before you're in the danger zone. Customization is another key win. You can tweak nearly everything, from alert tones, display brightness, to sensitivity modes like highway, city, and advanced. The advanced mode lets you fine-tune each radar band, so if you're a radar nerd, this is where you'll be in your element. In urban environments, the R7's ability to filter out noise is excellent. Thanks to GPS lockouts and K-band filtering, you won't be constantly bombarded with alerts from store doors and security systems. It includes a USB port, power cord with mute button, and even updates via PC so you're always running the latest firmware and camera database. Uniden has done a solid job of supporting the R7 with ongoing software updates. For drivers who value long-range sensitivity, real-time alerts, and full directional awareness, this is as good as it gets. It's fast, reliable, smart, and customizable. That wraps up today's deep dive. If you want more real-world breakdowns of top-tier tech like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Product Critique, helping you drive smarter, safer, and better.